What's going on, guys? Today we are looking at the NordicTrack Select a Weight dumbbells. Now these are adjustable dumbbells by NordicTrack, and these have become my new favorite adjustable dumbbells. I do feel like these are better than the Bowflex 552s, and I'll show you some of the differences as well as why I like them better. So NordicTrack has two versions of these. These are the 50 pounds and this is the 55 pounds. The main difference you'll notice is this centerpiece here is not included on the 50-pound version. And basically this one allows you to do increments of 2.5 pounds, increments of 5 pounds and 10 pounds. These only go up in 10 pounds, so it does 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, whereas this can do 5, 2.5, 15, 25, things like that. So it's super easy and simple to use. You simply just slide it to whatever weight you want on both ends, and then you just pick it up. Now, I can't pick up 50, but I can pick up 10. So that's all there is to it. Really simple and easy to use. The neck mechanism is very quick. It's just like any other adjustable dumbbells. I do feel like these are certainly the same speed as the Bowflex 552s, so pretty much on par with that. Well, the main difference I will say with a Bowflex system and a system like this is the Bowflex system is about the same width from each end. However, the Bowflex system is a little awkward to use at lower weight. So if you see, I put this to 10 pounds here, and the dumbbells are only the width of this here. Because of the Bowflex systems, they have adjustable knobs at the end here. You're picking up the whole stick, and say this is only about 8 to 10 inches, whereas that might be, 16 inches of awkwardness you have. Another reason why these are better than the Bowflex dumbbells are because of the metal pieces. So inside the mechanism here, it's all built on metal, and a lot of other people on the internet have said this may last longer. That I cannot tell because I've only had these for about a week now, and these are brand new to the market. However, more metal pieces on the internal mechanisms, people are saying that it might hold up better over time and last you longer. Another big reason why I think these can be better than the Bowflex systems are because of the grip. A lot of people complain about the Bowflex grip, that it is plastic and rubber, and they just, they don't give you that firm grip. These are just like normal dumbbells here. Very good knurling as well as metal setup here. And this one I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna do 15 pounds, so do 10s, and then if you go this way, it's 2.5, or if you go this way, it's 5. So this is gonna be 15 pounds here. Again, very simple and easy to use. Now, if we go to the other end, that makes them 12.5 pounds. If you do ever have any problems with this catching, all you really have to do is shake it on the cradle a little bit, and then it should work flawlessly. Sometimes everything doesn't line up perfectly, and that is the reason for that. Now, I really do think adjustable dumbbells are perfect in a home gym if your space is limited, like mine here. I don't really have anywhere to put it. A bunch of dumbbells, I could put some there. However, we really don't have much room. So I think these are great for home use. This one here, the one that does increments of 10, I purchased at Best Buy for $300. And for only $30 more, you can do increments of 2.5 and 5. And I got that for $330 on Amazon. I would check out that link down below. I'll provide that one. For $30, I really think that one is the better deal here. All right, so that is a quick overview of the NordicTrack Select a Weight dumbbells. If you guys do have any questions, let me know. Let me know what else I should add to my home gym. Check out my channel for tech videos, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.